Alright, welcome back everybody. We're in the garage. It's late, like actually late, like if I open that door late. But we got something to do to the Supra today, tonight, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, check it out. Last look you will see, because this bad boy got some wheels. Took it a minute. Still within like 2-month period. I got a tag now. But I got some wheels and I'm gonna put them on. So let me show you the wheels real quick. I'm gonna jack this car up, take these wheels off. We're gonna load all of the wheels up because that saved me from like having to take the car. We're just gonna take the wheels to the shop. My friend's gonna open, it's 8 something at night. He's gonna open up, let me put my own tires on because I know what I'm doing. And we're just gonna swap the wheels over. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put them on, and then you guys will get to see the wheels on the car. So real quick, let me show you the wheels and then we'll continue with this video. It might be kind of dark outside, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna record too much, but let's see what we got. So let's check these wheels out. Boom, my new wheels. Not the final look. It's supposed to have candy red centers, but my boys at AG, you know, blessed me with another sponsorship. And I'm just waiting for my candy red centers and some of these bolts are bad, so I'm gonna replace those. But I already slid the tires on. They're slid on, they're not mounted. It's tire people stuff, you know about it. We got some 255s, I got some 285s. That's a 295. But this is coming off because I was test fitting and I thought that it needed a little more stretch than this, because this is square AF. So we went down a size, 285, 255, and that's the setup we got going on. So that's pretty much it. I'm about to load them up and we're gonna go get them put on. That simple. By the way, for anybody who's been watching all my videos, appreciate it, you know, looking out, supporting the channel. Not too many people do that, but thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for supporting me, the car, and the garage, you know, because it's viewers like you that make this all possible. That sound like PBS, viewers like you. But anyways, if you're not already, like my channel, subscribe to my channel, because if not, nothing's gonna happen, but it will be nice. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's go to the shop. Alright, so check it out. I jacked up the car. I took the wheels off. I loaded them up, and there's a Honda back there. And I forgot to take the camera. So, woo woo woo, fast forward. Here we go. I got them on. Only 3 of them. I gotta go get the last one done somewhere professional, because I did these myself. But the tire machine was good at putting tires on, not taking them off. And you know, fuck it. We're just gonna wait till tomorrow. But here you go, right here, look at this. Fresh. Bad boy. Here's another one of them bad boys. Looking nice, a little ashy, but looking nice. We're gonna go ahead and hit that camera button. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one on, and I'm gonna put that one on, and I'm gonna put the car down so you can see what it looked like. But you seen it here first. My new AGs. This is the video. New wheels on the car. Moment of truth. I shot them bad boys up, even though I'm going to take them right back off. But just, you know, for visual effects, this one's going to be a little close. A lot of close. But, them 19 by 12s in the rear. Stretch some 285s on there. Should be pretty nice. see if I can pop this loose with one hand. Popped and going down. The front's definitely gonna fit, but the rear is the questionable one. Oop. Now, if this ain't the tightest fit you have ever seen, the tightest fit. Just add like a degree or two camera on there, we should be good, right? That is tight. And the front, whew, the front's actually really good. The rear, extremely questionable. But there you have it. That drag setup. Not really, but pretty freaking close right there. Let's see. Don't got too much bounce on there, but if it did, there's a good chance this is gonna, it might not rub, but I feel like it's gonna rub a little bit. Just a little bit. But oh well. They look good. AG blessed me with some tires. No, with some wheels. I'm bugging. I still had to pay for them, but got my sponsor discount. And Toyo blessed me with some tires, so shout out to AG Wheels and Toyo Tires for blessing with the wheel and tires. Fortunato, I already had them, but I'm sure they would have blessed too, so we're gonna mention them. And you know, Sanders Garage, your favorite place. But this is the Supra's wheels, A1, if I may say so myself. Pretty A1. Alright, well, I guess we should wrap this up. I gotta put those wheels back on because I only have 3 of these because I couldn't get the last one. So, there you have it. Light. This is the car. We're getting ready for Slammed Enough Myrtle Beach. And I'm trying to see if I can get in the door. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to. I mean, it looks pretty nice, right? Only thing missing is my candy red center caps. See, the black blends, but the red on red, A1. So yeah, it's gonna be red on red with gold hardware. And that is gonna pop way more than black. The black's cool, but low key, it's boring. But I think they're on the way. He asked what my address was, even though they already have it. So we'll see. We will see. But next time you guys check in, we'll have all the wheels on the car. Probably have some other random goodies, but for the most part, we just have to dial her in, cause that's pretty. I can't even stick a finger in there. Pretty close, nice and tight, you know. But the front, A1. So honestly, just gotta lift up the back a little bit and run it like that until I decide I want to go wide body, which I do. So feel free to, you know, sponsor me if you want. But definitely going Pandem on this thing. Nice wide body, duckbill on the back. And for the future, take them lips off the back, put them on the front, and get wider lips for the rear. Always gotta go wider. Go wide or go home. So, I'm done talking. You've seen what you came here to see. One more shot of the AGs before I take them off the car. Just imagine the candy red center cap. You done? You done, Matt? Okay, cool. So, like I was saying, if you haven't already, like my channel, subscribe to my channel, And stay tuned, because there's more. And for behind the scenes, follow me on Instagram, obviously, because this will be up there already and you will see it late. If you seen it here, you saw it late. If you saw it on my Instagram, you saw it on time. You know, become one of the behind the scene buddies. But until next time, peace out and y'all have a good time.